Hello everyone, this is Miss Lily with my awards videos for this semester. I hope everyone is excited about the upcoming holiday break. I know I am. Alright, let's get started with my awards. So, first award, Math 1, Part 1, goes to Madison Carter. Good job, Madison. She had the highest average in Math 1, Part 1. Math 1, Part 2, the highest average goes to Brett Victor. Great job, Brett. Math 2, Part 2, my highest average is Daniela Prather. Great job, Daniela. And Math 3, Part 1. Math 3, Part 1, the highest average goes to Sophie Abrams. Sophie had an average of 99.2 for the semester. Awesome. Way to go, Sophie. And Math 3, Part 2, the highest average goes to Isaac Shujan. Great job, Isaac. So these are all of my award winners for this semester. Again, I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.